Hi there. Welcome to Uexcel Labs. Today we're going to have part 7 of our 8-part video series on YouTube talking about companies that are now hiring in spite of all the gloom and doom out there that you hear. And it's really bad. It's really, really bad. The unemployment right now in US is about 10%. Okay, almost near its all-time high numbers, and some people are saying it could get worse. People are getting, it's still getting unemployed. They're getting losing their jobs. Almost every day, I'm hearing about more and more companies laying off people, and people are not able to pay their rent, pay their mortgage. People are getting evicted. It's in spite of the eviction ban, apparently people are still getting evicted from their houses. So it's very, 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 very sad situation out there. So I'm trying to, help you so you can find a job very quickly. I know the hurt, the pain that's out there, and I feel for you. For a father, a husband, or even a bread earner in the family. If you're the only bread earner, it's even worse when you lose a job. And of course, the bills don't stop coming. You have to pay the bills, and it's really bad. It's really bad. I've been through it a couple of times, so I know how it is. So that's why I'm trying to help you. I hope you're taking notes. Please jot down the names of the companies that you're interested in. This is part 7. We'll have one more part in our series, and that'll be the end. So in total, in this 8 parts, we are covering about 400 companies that are now hiring. Believe me, believe it or not, they are hiring, and some of them are hiring a lot. And I covered in part 1 50 companies that are hiring between 1,000 and 100,000 plus positions. Some of them have 100,000 plus openings. Okay. Not all of these are professional jobs. Some of these are, low-skill jobs. I agree. But when you don't have a job, you're looking desperately for a job, then hopefully this can help. Also, I understand that for graduates that are coming out of school, graduating with their diploma or college degrees, it's also really bad because no company wants to hire, people without experience as it is. And especially in this situation, in this environment, for the new graduates, it's really, really bad. Okay, they have to compete with people out there who are highly experienced. And the same thing goes with the people with low skill. The low skill laborers have to work, compete against the professional or high skill laborers who might be sometimes applying to the same job. Okay. So again, I hope these videos are helping you. If you have any comments, please let me know. I'll be happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe. You can hit the subscribe button in the bottom right corner of the screen. Okay, for that. And again, as I mentioned, we'll have this video and then one more part. Another 50 companies we'll cover. Okay, and that'll be it for this 8-part series. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so in this part 7, we'll feature, as I mentioned, another 50 companies with 100 to 200 openings, okay, across many different sectors or verticals where you can generate a good income, okay. And some of these, you'll see, the ones that I covered in this part and, even the last part 6, part 7, part 8, many of these are big name companies, major brands, okay. And some of these are still hiring, okay. Some of them are also laying off in some parts of the country, but some parts of the country they are also hiring, okay. Or sometimes they're hiring maybe outside US also. So please pay attention, take notes, and as I mentioned before, once you like a company that you like to apply to, please jot down the name, as you hear that they are hiring, and then go to Google search engine, type down the name of the company, and then say jobs. Okay, name of the company, space jobs, and then you can say near me. Okay, if you want a location, near where you live, or if you are not just interested in near me jobs, if you're open to traveling or going even out of state for jobs or even remote jobs, just uh, type in the name of the company and jobs, and you will see a list of all these hundreds of job openings they have. All right. So I hope that helps. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, number one today is big company, Deere, Deere, Deere and Company. They're again a big brand name. They're hiring more than 150 people, and many of them are actually in Pennsylvania, Northeast. Number two, Acadia Healthcare. They also have more than 150 openings, okay, in healthcare industry. Okay, they're looking primarily for healthcare people, but they may have some openings for people with other skills also. Number three, another big name, International Paper. They're hiring for more than 150 open positions they have. Number four, big name, Agilian Technologies. They're also looking to hire more than 150 people for various open roles across the country. Number five, huge big name all across the world, Caterpillar. Caterpillar is hiring also more than 150 people. Okay, they have lots of job openings in US and outside US. Number six, Penske Truck Leasing. Penske Truck Leasing is also looking to hire about 150 people. Number seven, Cisco. This is spelled Sysco. Cisco, they are hiring also for more than 150 people. Number eight, another big name, DuPont. A huge name in the chemical industry. DuPont is looking to hire also about 150 people. Number nine, AIG. Again, a big insurance company. AIG is looking to hire about 150 people also. Number 10, another big insurance company, Allstate. Allstate is also looking to hire about 150 people. Okay, and not just financial people, but other administrative people also they're looking for. Number 11, McKesson. McKesson is also another big company, McKesson. McKesson. McKesson also has 150 openings. Number 12, Square. Square is a small company, but they are becoming big pretty fast. They're thanks to their the device, that their product they have that you can put on your cell phone, so you can swipe your credit card or something. So Square is in the payment space and online payment space, and thanks to that device that many retailers are using this new Square device. Okay, they're doing well, and they have now 150 openings also. Number 13, ESPN. Again, major sports channel. ESPN is owned by Disney, and ESPN is also hiring. They also have more than 150 open roles right now. Number 14, Water Tree Health. Water Trees Health is also looking to hire about 150 people. Number 15, New Relic. New Relic, RELIC. New Relic is looking to hire about 130 people. Number 16, Roblox. Roblox, ROBLOX. They are also looking for about 125 people. Number 17, again, small company, but they're becoming very big. It is a gaming company, very popular gaming company, Zynga, Zynga. Zynga is looking to fill more than 120 open positions they have in US and abroad. Number 18, UI Health. UI Health. UI Health is looking to fill about 120 open positions they have. So moving forward, number 19, International Rescue Committee. They're looking to hire about 100 people. Number 20, Willis Towers Watson. Willis, WILIS, Towers Watson, they're looking to fill about 100 positions also. Number 21, Molina Healthcare. Molina is spelled MOLINA. Molina Healthcare is looking to fill about 100 roles also. Number 22, another big name, Marsh & McLennan. Marsh & McLennan is looking to hire about 100 people also. Number 23, Omnicom, Omnicom. Omnicom is looking to hire about 100 people. Number 24, Geico, another big insurance company. Geico, they're big in auto insurance and even life insurance and other things. So they're looking to hire about 100 people also. Number 25. So we are about halfway done with today's list already now. So number 25 is American Family Insurance, another big insurance company. We have lots of insurance companies in today's list. They are looking to hire about 100 people also. Number 26, VF Corporation, big name. They are looking to hire about 100 people also. Number 27, Molson Coors Beverage. Okay, Coors Beverage, very well known in the food and beverage industry. They also have 100 openings right now, job openings. So go for it. If you haven't tried, go. If you're interested, if you have some background in that industry, even if you don't have a background but you want to apply and try your luck, go for it. Don't stop just because you have not had any experience in the food and beverage industry. I will encourage all of you to apply to as many as possible, as many of these openings as possible. Number 28, Discover Financial Services. Okay, Discover Card. Discover Financial Services is looking to hire about 100 people. Number 29, Fluor Corporation. F as in Frank, L as in Larry, U as in umbrella, O as in oxygen, R as in Robert. Fluor Corporation is looking for 100 people also. Number 30, another big name, Henry Schein. Henry Schein, Schein. Henry Schein is looking to fill about 100 openings also. Number 31, Slack. Okay, Slack is becoming more and more popular. It's a messaging company. It was a startup. It's no longer a startup, I would say. It's now a major player out there in the industry. Okay, and they are looking to fill over 100 job openings. Number 32, Zillow. Zillow is a big player in the retail online real estate space. Okay, if you're looking for a house, if you're looking to buy or rent or sell your property, which might be happening depending on your own situation, you can go to Zillow.com and post your property there or look for a new place. I think they also have a renting feature, so you can also rent through Zillow. Okay, so Zillow is looking to hire about 100 people also. Number 32, one of our favorites, Zoom Video. Okay, Zoom is becoming very, very popular in the video space, online video conferencing space, and not just here, but people from all over the world are now using Zoom, and Zoom is giving a run for its money to many of the other video conferencing providers. And Zoom has lots and lots of nice features. I myself use Zoom quite a bit, and I would say I'm very, very happy customer of Zoom. So Zoom is looking to hire about 100 people also. Number 34, Cruise, Cruise. Cruise is hiring about 100 people also. Number 35, Aerojet Rocketdyne. Rocketdyne is a major company in the aerospace industry. This is Aerojet Rocketdyne. They are looking to fill about 100 open roles they have. Number 36, Celonis, Celonis, as in Sam. So Celonis is hiring about 100 people also. Number 37, Massimo, M-A-S as in Sam, I-M-O. Massimo is hiring about 100 people for various open roles they have. Number 38, another huge brand, big name in the energy sector, ExxonMobil. ExxonMobil also is hiring about 100 people right now in US and abroad. Number 39, Pacific Life. Pacific Life is looking to hire about 100 people also for various open positions they have. Okay, now the last 10. Okay, few more big names today. Number 40, Clorox. The Clorox company is looking to fill about 100 open positions. Number 41, another big name, 3M, which is very, very well known for its, Scotch tapes and other kind of tapes and, chemical products. 3M is looking to fill about 100 roles also. Number 42, Ford Motors. They are looking to hire about 100 people also. Number 43, Myriad Genetics, a genetics company. They are also looking to hire about 100 people. Number 44, Cisco Meraki. This Cisco is spelled CISCO, the networking company. Meraki, MERAKI. They are looking to fill about 100 roles. Number 45, major cereal company and food company is Kellogg. Kellogg is looking to fill about 100 positions also. Number 46, Williams-Sonoma, another big brand. They are looking to fill about 100 open positions they have. Number 47, another big name, Arrow Electronics, for electronic components. They are looking to fill about 100 positions. I know a lot of my friends who are in Arrow Electronics, and I know they have lots of openings right now, and about at least 100 openings across the US. Number 48, another big insurance giant, MetLife. MetLife is hiring about 100 people also. Number 49, another big company, CNN. Okay, major broadcaster. They have also about 100 openings. Some of these are outside the country also, but most of these are in US. So if you want to work for CNN, if you have background in the TV industry, in the media industry, go for it. Okay, at least 100 positions they have. Number 50, another major software company, Red Hat. Red Hat is looking to fill about 100 positions also. So those are the companies that are hiring, and they have more than 100 positions, and that's the list for today. And in the next one, which is going to be our last part 8, okay, I'll feature another 50 companies. Many of these are going to be still also just like today's, large companies, big brands, and I'm sure you'll love to hear about those companies as well. All right. So if this is helping you, and if you're interested in these companies, if you have any comments or feedback, please let me know. Please go to the comment section and send me your feedback. And if you have any questions, if you have any concerns, or if you have any suggestions, I'd love to hear from you. All right. And don't forget to subscribe. So hit the subscribe button at the bottom right of this video. All right. So good luck. Again, be safe and all the best. See you soon.